Want to give your Bitmoji a fresh look on Snapchat? Let's go. Open Snapchat on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the top of the screen. Click on your Bitmoji. In the pop-up menu, select Avatar. First, select your desired hairstyle and hair color under Hair Treatment. Next, choose the style and color of facial hair. Now add piercings, right earrings, left earrings, nose, right and left brow, lips, and tongue. Set your skin tone as preferred. Choose eye shape and eyelashes. Customize your eyes, eyebrows, and nose shape. Adjust jaw shape, mouth shape, ear structure, and cheek lines. Finally, choose the body type. Tap the heart symbol below to select your preferred outfits. Once done, don't forget to hit the Save button at the top. And that's it. Subscribe for more helpful guides.